Hello everyone. What's up? Not sure if anyone noticed, but I've been away for kinda 10 days, so the series kinda migrated from being a daily one to a weekly one, I guess. But hey, you cannot influence what life throws at you, right? So, excuse me for my absence, if anyone noticed, other than me. But I think the important thing is that I'm back now, and I still have that fire burning inside me. So, let's get going. For today, I decided to try a new app. I mean, some of you might be familiar with it. It's called Replies? I don't know exactly how to pronounce it, but you'll have it in the post I'm gonna make. Okay, so what's the idea with this platform? So this platform allows you to create agents, or let's put it more simply. So it allows you to create an app without any coding knowledge or without even needing for you to be a technical person. So this is the first screen you're going to see after you create an account. And what I did was, okay, I used it's not 100% free. It is free, you get some credits that you can talk with their AI assistant that I maxed out. So basically here you're gonna have a chat with an agent, and I talked with the program. I'm gonna show you my conversation with it. As you can see, this looks very codey stuff, but it's really not that complicated. So this was my prompt. Very easy, very simple. I want to watch incoming emails in Gmail, summarize them, suggest 3 replies, and receive everything on my Slack. Straight to the point, very easy. And as you can see, the assistant immediately understood my query, created an app. It's very simple and very powerful in my opinion. He tells me what he needs from me, the authorizations and stuff for the accounts, the API keys, the bot token from Slack where I want to receive the message. And I didn't want to use OpenAI because it gets me to pay, right, to use their API. But Google Gemini APIs is free. So I wanted to use that for sure. And it immediately updated it. And the interesting thing is that you can see the updates in real time. If you want to see what it is doing, you can just simply click on the file, and here you can see it updated it to Gemini. Okay, he did his magic. It did his magic. And now it's guiding me what to do. So this is I don't know, kindergarten level in my opinion. I mean, not really, because you still need to know what an API key is, where you can get it from, what it can do. But other than that, which is minimal information from our side, it's pretty self-explanatory, and it even tells you what to do. Okay, I already had this information. I gave it to the program. And okay, it kept telling me what to send to him. We tested the Slack integration, and at some point, of course, a problem had to arise. It can't all be this simple. The main problem was authorizing it to have access to my real Gmail account to see real incoming emails, because we tested it with some fake emails, but I wanted to really prove this proof of concept that it can work. So okay, this took me a bit of time to figure out. I had to play with Google Cloud Console, with Google's 𝗬𝗏 like policy authenticator, whatever. But after I made it work, I got it to work. Here you can see the final dashboard. I mean, as I was chatting with it, it automatically created this interface so I can have a visual representation of what is happening and what am I seeing, and this is really smart. Like, it's very simple. Total email analyzed, total emails analyzed today, success rate, because as you can see some of them failed. These were the test ones. I mean, okay, obviously I've did it before, and this is like the third time I'm doing it because the credits kept expiring. Status active, but what is really interesting is that these are real emails received on my Gmail account, and this is a test one I created with system maintenance, whatever. If we click on it, you can see it's from my Yahoo email, and as you can see we have an AI summary. This email notifies user about scheduled interface, It tells us the urgency, action required if we need to take immediate action, like if it's urgent for us to reply. And we get, as I wanted, 3 reply suggestions. A brief one that you can really copy paste and just send it, a formal reply, and a friendly one. And we also get an email preview. I don't know, for me this is very exciting because I consider it to be very powerful. Like, you get a summary on all incoming emails and 3 suggested replies. That's, come on. If you're a busy like CEO, CFO, or whatever C-suite, or you have even a busy schedule and you don't have time to like read each email and think of replying, this is amazing. And okay, like, I got some promotional stuff as well. This is from music, some music stuff. This email from Mixcloud, it actually tells me urgency low, because I don't need to reply. Action required no. Like, I can reply if I want to. From eBay. And to make it more fun, let's test it right now. I'm gonna send an email to myself to see what happens, how the platform works. Of course, the integration had to like have an error just as I started working on this. But basically the authorization tokens for like the app to have access to my Gmail had expired, and I had to like refresh them. But I did. And as you can see, it scanned like 4 new ones today, whatever, it's from WeTransfer and like promotional stuff, because apparently I think it has some sort of a delay, because I have received these at 9 in the morning and now it's like 11, but that's not really a problem as long as it does it right. And just to show you that we receive it on Slack as well, so it tells us that the email monitoring is successful, and we receive, yay, the emails. So we have, it tells us we received a new email from who, date, subject, basically the same info as the app. We receive a summary, key points, and suggested replies. And it does this with every like incoming email, which is nice. So yeah, that's kinda it for today. I think this is a really powerful tool that you can use. Like, as you can see, like the term vibe coding being thrown around these days a lot. I think this is exactly that. Like, I'm I mean, I am a bit of a technical person, but I'm not a developer or something even close to that, so I can't like decipher what's happening here without the help. So for me to build this like very basic interface, but to get it to work and do like a useful thing, because this is pretty powerful in my opinion, I think this is amazing. Like okay, so all the information will be on my website as always. Do reach out if you want me to send you the files or send you the prompt or help you in like building your own version of it. And yeah, I highly suggest you go on the platform and have fun with it yourself. Cool. See you in the next one.